Namaste people, this is me Pavna. Welcome to my channel Pav Ready. Before I start this video, I want to take a little time and I want to thank all my subscribers, and not just my subscribers, people who are watching my videos. I've got a lot of appreciation on Yugadi vlog. Thank you so much. And for people who have told me that my Kannada is sounding really good, thank you so much for them. I'll try to make a lot of videos in Kannada, but this one is going to be in English. Thank you so much for all the appreciation that I've got, and for people liking my video and sharing it on different platforms. Thank you so much for that. Now I'm again back with another cooking video. I've got a very healthy recipe. This is a random recipe but a healthy snack. I didn't know what to name this one. After watching this video, if you have any name in your mind for this recipe, put me down in the comment section and the best one will be chosen and will be used for my title. So people, watch my recipe completely and try this. Let's watch the recipe.
So we'll heat the pan for some time. So when you feel it's a bit warm, you can add sesame seeds and keep frying them for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So after it's nicely fried and it's turned a little brown, you can transfer this sesame seeds to another plate, and on the same pan now you can take flax seeds and again roast them for some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. After frying, now you can transfer flax seeds to the same plate with sesame. Now on the same pan, we'll fry almonds for 3 to 4 minutes.
So now we have roasted everything, we have kept them aside. We'll not grind them when it's warm, so we'll let it cool a bit. In the meantime, we'll make a syrup of jaggery. So yeah, we'll add 1 cup of water to it. So now you can see it's boiling. When it's boiling, what we'll do is we'll filter it off. Okay, we'll filter this off.
I'm filtering the syrup before using it just to remove any adulterated particles in the jaggery. So I'm using the same syrup and I'll boil it for some time.
So now we'll let it boil for a little time so that it gets into a little syrup texture. So we'll let it boil till then we can grind all our fried
few moments later.
Sorted almond, flax seeds and sesame seeds. So now it's boiling. We'll switch it off and then add all this. Okay, give it a mix. So yeah, this is done. Let's now leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll be back. So I think you people saw the recipe. It's awesome, right? It is tasting really good, and here is the result for that. It's tasting really good. I couldn't resist and I finished almost all. There are just 2 left. I can't stop eating this. Really good. try this and put down the unique names in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. People who haven't subscribed to my channel, go quickly subscribe to see different variety of healthy recipes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till next Saturday. Namaste.